Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about application of integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. The first thing we need to graph the function y equals to x. The graph should be like this. The next one se with s where the graph should be like this. So they want to find the area from 0 to number 1. So here is about number 0, here is about number 1. And the area we want to find that is about this one. So now I will show you how to answer. So we need to use the area equals to the integration from A to B. So in this situation, we need to find the upper function minus the lower function. So in this situation, we know that the upper function that is about this one, the lower function that is about this one based on the graph in here. So we have the integration from 0 to number 1. This one we have the upper function. This one the lower function. So I need to concentrate on this one in here. So we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to s squared. Later that we need to do first derivative for the both side, and we have the u equals to 2s ds. Because we don't have number 2 in here, so we divide both sides by number 2. Next, we need to change the bounds. When s equals to number 0 that is from here. So I will put number 0 cone here to find the value of u. So u equals to number 0. When s equals to number 1, we put number 1 cone here, and we have u equals to number 1. And now we have like this. The bounds we keep the same. S where we change by u. S ds we change by the u over number 2. And now we have the final answer. So we have like this. So the value of this one, that is about this one. Next, we need to minus the integration of s, that is about s squared over number 2. And we put the bounds from 0 to number 1. So I will put number 1 cone here, number 0 cone here. And now we have like this. Now we need to simplify this one. So we have like this. This is the end. Thank you for watching.